Hello kids, welcome to SB Kids TV. Today we are going to learn about English alphabets. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for giraffe. H. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yellow. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching.